What's up, YouTube? All right, everybody say what's up.
What's up?
That was weak. Say it louder.
What's up?
And where are we going?
To church!
Oh my God, you guys are losers. Anyways, we're going to church. It's Sunday. It's that day of the week. So, anyways, oh yeah, babe, say what's up. Oh, doing that. Oh yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Anyways, gotta look good today. I can't hear myself. Anyways,
Jackson.
I can't. Hey, shh. I'm vlogging here. Anyways, so I just want to let you guys know, happy Sabbath day, happy the rest of the week. Today is my daughter and all these kids. I don't know who these other kids are.
Hey,
random strangers.
You do know us. We're your niece and nephew.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So you're my nephew?
No, I'm your niece and he's your nephew.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, they're my niece and nephew. They all got to go up and say a little, part that they memorized in church and stuff. So, anyways, so it'll be a good day. Just staying motivated. But tomorrow, oh man, start of a new week. Jeez, I hate Mondays. Just gotta cherish all the Sunday, because after church, time to get some sleep. Because when they say Sunday is a day of rest, they really mean it. It's a day we should go home and rest, right, babe? We should just sleep. Sleep. No, it's not lazy. I'm not the one who made that rule. Jeez. It's the fathers of the forefathers of all fathers that made that rule. So, alright, y'all. We just got here, so I'm gonna stop filming. Peace.